Good afternoon. Welcome to the Landmark Inn State Historic Site. I'm Elisa Cease, and today it's Saturday, May 2nd. Today we're going to make puzzle purses from the 1800s, also known as an 1800s love letter. So you can send it to mom, dad, teacher, brother, sister. You can send one to us here at the Landmark Inn State Historic Site. But isn't this sweet? When we're done, you're gonna open it up and you can draw anything you want on there, and then when you pull just one compartment after the other, you can draw something on the inside. You can draw, anyway, very charming. So now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make this. So first of all, you're gonna start with a piece of square paper. You can cut it off, you can use a ruler, you can get mom and dad to help you. You'll take, on one end, if you start with a regular piece of paper, you can measure the top and then just measure, and it's gonna be a square. And I started to fold this one. Then we're just gonna, you can eyeball it, or you can use your ruler, and you're gonna fold it into a third, just like I did this one over here. Eyeball it. Looks pretty even. If it's not even, it's okay. You want it as close as possible, but if it's not, especially, it's okay if it's a little bit off. It just gives a little character. Eventually, before you know it, you can be making them in your sleep, making one for every single person in your family. So once again, we're gonna crease, just keep creasing that. And where I crease, I mean you're pushing your finger down, making those lines. And then you're gonna open it up, and then you're gonna, just like a handkerchief, or like mom or dad or grandma or grandpa cut your sandwich into a triangle there. So you're gonna make a triangle. Once again, crease, I'm pushing my fingers down on that corner. Then I'm gonna open up, see that? And then we're gonna go the opposite way, come across this way. Once again, you're gonna line it up nice and straight as we can, and you're gonna crease, keep creasing, crease, 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 crease. Wonderful. You're doing great following with me at home. Then you're gonna open it up and you're gonna flip it over. And see how it pops up like that? That's great. So then, now we're gonna turn it and we're gonna do all four corners. We're gonna start with one corner, and you're only take this corner, come down towards yourself. I'm holding it there, see where I'm holding it? It's just there's still like an L all the way around here. You're just gonna crease from this corner down, just the one side. Crease, pushing that down, crease, crease, crease. And see how it's like a pinwheel. That side's gonna be open. So once again, you're just creasing that side, then you're gonna open it up, and you're gonna turn this other way. And we're gonna do the same thing. So you're just, these four corners here, we're pulling this down to here, and we're creasing this side. Pushing your finger down, nice crease. See how it's open there? There you go, looks like a little pinwheel. It'll all make sense in a minute, just trust me. And then you're gonna turn it again. It's a little hard to work with, don't worry, it's just you're doing the creases right. Once again, just this section right here, the first section, crease, push your creases down, and this one's open. Here we go again, we're gonna turn it, we're gonna crease. Once again, that nice open pinwheel, we're gonna turn it, and then we're back to the start. There we go, we already creased that one. So then you're gonna flip it over, and you're gonna pull these corners together. Pull these corners together. So you're gonna push them together and push it in. And you're gonna pretend you have 8 arms like an octopus, or maybe mom and dad are around, they can help you, or brother, sister. But if you crease it well, it's already starting to go. We're pushing it in, like we're making it almost like a taco or somewhere. You're gonna put your salad in there. So as it comes together, see how it's starting? So we're just pushing it in, and you're just gonna keep working, and it's gonna naturally fold down. See that? If we creased it well, if it doesn't naturally fold like mine, no worries. You can go back and just hit your creases again. No worries. There's no right or wrong to this. So now that it's laid down, I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna crease everything. Crease, crease, crease. There we go. Nice little star. Okay, now we're gonna start and we're gonna fold it in. Fold one corner. Fold it in. We're going to make a square. Once again, I'm pulling those creases down, and I'm going to go to the right. I'm just going to keep turn the next side. Well, I'm pulling it down with my right, but I'm turning it to the left. As long as you go in the same direction, you're good. And you're going to next one, and then this last one. See, I've made a box, and then I'm going to fold it down, and there you go. You've done it. As soon as I fold it in, you've done it. Ta-da! You're geniuses. So now the fun part, you get to decorate. Sorry, I'm having trouble getting that in there. Normally that's a breeze. So now you can take a marker, or you use crayons at home. I just grab markers here. I'm drawing a heart. Just draw hearts on all four for the moment. And I'm gonna open it up. Use different colors. Wherever you want to draw, this is the part where you get to have fun. You can draw, as I showed you on these one ago. See, so each time you unfold it, there's more to it. There's your heart. You can draw anything you want. When you open it up, there's the heart, there's the garden. And then you get to draw whatever you want on the inside. You can have a little secret surprise. I brought some ideas to show y'all. I love Disney, so here I've got a castle. There's Dopey. Oh, here's a pineapple with some pretty flowers. Here's a Cinderella's carriage. Here's Dumbo. Oh, here's the Alsatian dancer. Oops. No ghosts here, just I knocked the chair down. Here's the Eiffel Tower. Here's some pretty designs. Flowers, just these swirlies, just see how pretty the squirrels are. And if you're making a mistake, don't worry, just keep working and blending it together. Isn't that beautiful? That's from right by Monet's garden, so there's no accidents. You can't do anything wrong. So just have fun. You need to start over. I love you make a mistake, you just keep going, and you never know what kind of fabulous art you're gonna create. Have fun, and we can't wait till you come see us. You can come see us again soon at the Landmark and State Historic Site. And any questions? We can post where we originally got it from. The idea from the Metropolitan Museum. We'll post it on our site and enjoy. And post your pictures. Let us see what you did. Thank you for supporting your Texas Historical Commission from the Landmark Inn in Castroville, Texas.